brother construction worker. We know you begin your day with the rising sun, because there's work to be done, and dreams to be built. And for all of that to happen, Sakrete concrete plants have to operate.
24 hours a day, Monday through Friday, sometimes on Saturday.
We source, dry, and blend the materials that make up your mix. We bag it, palletize it, and load it to a tune of over 22,000 bags per day at more than 40 plants across the USA.
As efficiently and as quickly as possible, and mostly safely.
And shipped to dealers near you. That mix that delivers strength, speed, and quality, saving you time and making you money so you can get the job done right. So the next time you buy a bag of Sakrete, think about the journey it's been on. Remember the people who make it, with grit and determination. From our hands to yours, our Sakrete family is always with you, at the job site and in your pocket.